Man, guys,
what did I say? We had hiccups. Oh no!
not again.
We made it the last time, and why does it keep doing that again?
Yeah.
We need a book again.
Yeah, bro, we need the book again.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, I hate the fucking book. Sorry, Daddy.
It's okay.
Oh, man.
Let's see. It says you need to drop in 10 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 10 seconds later.
9,
10.
10.
Let's see who has hiccups. What you want hiccups? What do you want hiccups? Does it?
I don't have hiccups. Oh, no,
I do have hiccups. I do have hiccups. Let's look around the book. It says do 100 jobs. 1, 2, 3, 100 jobs later. 98, 99, 100. Let's see who has hiccups. I still have hiccups.
I don't have hiccups anymore.
Captain Underpants, you have hiccups?
Yeah, still. I don't know why do I hiccup like that.
Okay,
It's
let's see
weird.
what the other book it says. Do 100 backflips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 100 backflips later. 98, 99, 100. Let's see who has hiccups.
Yeah, I don't have hiccups
why
anymore.
do I still have hiccups?
I don't know, Daddy. It just does.
Okay,
It's too bad.
Okay, let's see now. It says, let me see. Turn around for hold your breath in 100 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 100 seconds later. 98, 99, 100. Let's see. I don't have hiccups.
Yay!
Let's do the hot dog dance.
Dun 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 dun.
Wait.
Wait, Daddy! Before we dance, can you give me McDonald's again?
Oh my God, not this again. Okay, fine. I'll give you McDonald's, but only if you behave good, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Here you go, Jeffrey. Here you McDonald's. Da 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 da. Hot dogs, hot dogs.